Hey everybody, so I'm Todd from ToddsZen.com, and what I try to do is bring the martial arts, things like Kung Fu and Tai Chi and Qigong and many other traditions, to people like you, to everyday people, to try to enjoy it. I try to make it accessible and easy to understand. And one of the things that seems to be very popular is Tai Chi in a chair, or Qigong in a chair, especially Qigong exercises. And it's a great exercise for anybody at any age, but especially if you're stuck sitting. Some people have mobility issues, and I just want to say that all of the movements are completely accessible while sitting down. In some ways even more so, because it's supposed to be very relaxing. So when you're sitting in a chair, you're relaxed. Okay, so when you're standing up and doing a lot of the martial arts movements, a lot of the external martial arts like Wing Chun and Kung Fu exercises and things have a lot to do with external power, whereas Qigong and Tai Chi is an internal martial art, right? So that means that it works from the inside. So especially when you're sitting down, I'll move the chair up a little bit closer here. You're working from the inside, so you don't have to worry about standing up and overexerting yourself or whatnot. So a couple different exercises when you're sitting down doing chair Tai Chi or chair Qigong, and I'll tell you the same thing that I'll teach when I'm teaching standing meditation, Qigong or Tai Chi, is to relax, fully relax. Allow the chair to support you right where you are, right where you're sitting. You just want to relax right where you are, completely relax. And you want to focus first on relaxation, but don't over-relax. So sit sideways. Try not to slump over. You can still sit in what I call a dignified position. If you have trouble sitting up too high, just sit up as best as you can. You don't have to overdo it. You don't have to overexert yourself. You're supposed to be relaxed. But dignified, meaning like you have a string pulling you up through your head or through your core. So you're sitting up nice and gently like this, okay? And you're nice and relaxed. So where you're sitting, anywhere you're at, just focus on sitting and relaxing. And one of the first things you want to do, I call it centering, is you want to feel your body. So you start by taking a few deep breaths and relaxing. So let me talk about the breath for a second. So breathing, when you're talking about Tai Chi or Qigong, and by the way, Qi is energy and Gong means skill. So it's energy, skill. Qigong, that's all that really is, okay? And Tai Chi Quan is a fighting art, an ancient fighting art about 1,500 years old, where Qigong's older. Qigong's maybe near 5,000 years old, has a lot of medicinal purposes and a lot of other functional uses to it. But basically it's energy, skill, it's coordinating breathing with movement. That's what Qigong is, okay? So when you breathe, try to imagine you're breathing in through your nose always and filling every cell in your body, like expanding. So try to imagine that all of the cells in your body are filling up. So when you breathe in through your nose, so it's like, and then you let it go. But now imagine trillions of these cells, trillions of cells are filling up, so, and then letting go. Okay, so when you breathe, you're breathing in a circular motion. So in through the nose, and let it circulate through your whole body, and then let it go, like a balloon. Okay, so when you're breathing, especially sitting, same thing, you're sitting, as you breathe in through the nose and expand your body. Just pretend that your whole body is filled with trillions of these little air sacs, okay, little balloons. So breathe in and let it go. Breathe in through the nose, fill up your whole body, and let it go. So that's your breathing pattern, okay? So breathing in through the nose and letting it go. Breathing in through the nose and letting it go. This is really important to follow that cycle with all of the movements we're going to be doing, okay? So breathing. So centering means feel your body. It's okay if you feel pain. Maybe there's pain in your knees, your hips, your shoulders, or whatever, but I want you to relax, relax. Just relax in the chair and allow yourself to feel your body as it is. Don't defend against it, and don't try to push away things. That's where the suffering is, right? It's pushing things away. Embrace it. You may have sciatic pain, you may have nerve pain, you may have emotional pain. Try to let it all go and just be the observer. Be the one that knows, the one that's watching, the one that's outside looking in. Be the spiritual part of yourself that's looking at yourself collectively and centering. Just be here now in the moment, breathing in through the nose and relax. And that's the centering. That's the first part of doing this sitting down Qigong or sitting Tai Chi is centering. Just plain and simple centering right where you are. That's step one.